Hello to everyone. Here we are into the brand new Tesla Model 3 refresh or the HIGHLAND project, and we'll make just a quick review about the driving experience of this car, how it behaves. And as you can see, now we are on the autopilot. I have my one hand on the steering wheel, so it can sense that I can react in every time. But if I leave it for some seconds, as you can see, you will see here on the screen wait, how it needs me to take my hands on the wheel, so it can see how I can handle it. So my first experience after 1,500 kilometers is very good. The car drives very smooth on the road. The suspension is very good. I can barely feel the road, the roughness of the road. It's very quiet. As you can see, I'm driving at 125 kilometers, and it's extremely smooth, very quiet. As you can see here on the PC, the information we have about the driving, how the computer handles the consumption is a bit high now because of the temperature and because I was running uphill on my trip until now. But it will get better as I drive to my destination. So let's have a quiet. Okay. Let's see how it drives. Let's see. The auto lighting. The auto flash turns off, and now we'll activate the autopilot. Okay. The first time I activate the autopilot, it sees through the camera if I'm watching the road, and if I'm not, it immediately pops up this message. It's right here. But after a while, I think that the camera stops watching, because if I look anywhere else, it doesn't pop up the message anymore. So let's see something else about here, about the menu, how it is. We are on, okay, let's not see that right here. We have driven about 150. This is the range until now, and the total consumption of 254 kilowatt hours. So I think it's pretty decent, with an average consumption of 159 watt hours per kilometer. Okay. Here we can change how we can see the range, the remaining range, and from here we can see more clearly about the consumption of the car, the live projection. Okay, some data here. So now let's see how it slows down, because we have a car in front of us. Okay, have set the distance speed in 2 cars. Now I set it to 3. Okay, that's nice. So let's see how can we change the ambient lighting from here. We can change it at whatever light we want and set prettified lighting right here. Yes. Pretty nice. Okay. Okay, another pop-up message. Let's see. Something else. Okay, the settings here. And this is my first impressions about this car. I bought it on ultra red color, and more videos were about to follow about this car. We'll see many more things, so please subscribe to my channel to see more about this car. Thank you very much.